out to get even for what my last girl put me through. You acted so naive, I thought I'd take it out on you. So I handed you the short end of a deal. Revenge was the only thing to cure my ills. Now I need you so, and I'm loving you more and more. Nothing I can do about it. Nothing I can do about it. You told me the truth about myself, and I just sat there and pretended to be deaf.
I didn't want to hear it, baby.
I never heard the truth. Girl, I must confess,
You really shot me down.
and when I did, I sank into nothingness. There's nothing I can do about it. I started out to run my game on you. Well, you see, baby, I never intended to be true. But for a girl, I thought, to be so naive,
And the girl got smart.
you sure turned around and made a loving fool of me. Oh, there's nothing I can do about it.